Siguro, isa rin sa naging advantage lang yung galing sila sa back-to-back. Mahirap naman talaga yung kulang yung pahinga. At the same time, part ng objective namin na huwag mag-let up kahit konti. Kasi sanay nga si Jesus sa ganun, tulad nung sa last game nila. So, yun nga. Ang in-advise lang naman kung kaya kontrolin, since kami naman yung medyo fresh sa pahinga, i-kontrolin na namin agad. So, yun nga. Buti nakuha naman ang 3 sets.
Thank you, Coach. And best player of the game, Sabi, with 28 points. This is just some of your few games back for PLDT, but how proud are you of how you played tonight against Zeus Coffee?
I think overall it's just the environment that the girls are able to give me. I feel comfortable, I feel confident, with them by my side. So a huge thanks for them supporting me, whether I'm here, whether I'm elsewhere, but just the welcome back is, feels good.
Thank you. The floor is open for questions.
Coach, can you talk about lang yung pagbabalik ni Sabi first full game niya? Since nung Cebu, hindi pa siya masyadong naglaro. Pero ito, grabe, 28 points agad din na knockout game.
Yun naman din yung isa sa goal namin na from pagbalik niya, maunti-unti muna yung pag-integrate sa lineup. At the same time, ganoon din kasi yung respect namin sa Zeus, lalo kala Jov na ilang games na nagpo-produce ng double digits. So, yun na yung pinaka-hinanap namin na pangontra talaga, which is yun nga yung kay Sab. Naging bonus na lang din kasi nga, nasalo niya yung load na usually pinaghahatian nung tatlo ni either Kisha, Jovi, tas kay Kiana, saka yung sa mga middles namin. So, hopefully maayos pa namin para hindi pa laging marami yung attempts ni Sab.
Sabi, you took an extended break before coming back here.